Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we are discussing the water-soluble vitamin B12 or cobalamin or cyanocobalamin. The vitamin B12, vitamin cobalamin or the vitamin cyanocobalamin. It is the same name given to the same, it is to the same vitamin with different names. Basically, it is water-soluble vitamin. In this lecture, we will discuss its sources, its functions, its deficiency symptoms, and another feature, that is it is a byproduct, and the factors affecting the vitamin B12. Its sources are: liver is its richest source, but it is present in the meat, milk, poultry, fish, milk products, and in simple words, if we say all the sources of the animal feed and the marine source are its best sources. It is required for several purposes, such as it is required for the normal functions of certain enzymes, for the enzyme systems, and they prepare the red blood cells. They are required for the formation of the red blood cells. In the red blood cells, there is hemoglobin, with which there is iron, which is responsible to carry oxygen from the lungs through heart to the cells to release energy. So if it is deficient, there will be deficiency of the hemoglobin and there will be deficiency of the iron, and there will be some problem in the releasing of energy in the powerhouse of the cells, that is the mitochondria. So it is required for the formation of the red blood cells, and if it is the red blood cells and sufficient amount, the human beings or the animals will be healthy. Secondly, it is required for the synthesis of the nucleic acid. Nucleic acid are basically the nuclear materials carrying information from the parents to the offsprings. The genetic information are transferred. Moreover, it is required for the absorption and digestion of the fats and the carbohydrates in the body. People who are strict vegetarians are deficient in vitamin B12 or cobalamin. But remember that it is a byproduct in the antibiotic production. That is, if the antibiotics are produced, it will be produced as a byproduct with it. Byproduct means the product for which the operation is not performed, but during that operation, the specific product, which is called the byproduct, is also prepared with it. So, when the antibiotics are produced, the vitamin B12 or cobalamin is produced with it. That's why it is called the byproduct. Now, the deficiency symptoms. If it is deficient in the body, there will be deficiency of the red blood cells. There will be deficiency in the formation of the red blood cells. The nucleic acid will not be synthesized sufficiently or properly, and there will be problem in the absorption of the fats and the carbohydrates in the body. Now, the factors which are affecting the vitamin B12 or cobalamin. It is quite stable at pH from 4 to 6. Even if it is heated, but the pH is from 4 to 6, it will not be affected. But if the pH is increased, it will be adversely affected. That is, if the pH is controlled, there will be no laws as to this vitamin B12. But if the pH is raised, then it will be lost. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you.